Start.
We would like to talk to you about how to analyze the flyers or the pamphlets that we will be giving you.
This would be another. This would be now. We would be talking about outbound leads. How to analyze.
Yeah,
outbound
basically
leads.
it comes under outbound leads, and the organization will be also providing you a lot of pamphlets and flyers on which you can work upon. Now, suppose you are given, let's say, 10 or 20 pamphlets, and how do you figure out which one you would like to attack first?
Yes.
Which one would you like to start working upon? So over a period of time you will have wisdom and you will have an understanding on how to do that, but we are giving you a few pointers. First is the most important aspect of the flyer will be to see if he belongs to your area. Your area, what we mean is he has his services or outlet in the areas where Samvad is present in,
Yes.
where Samvad is published from. Why we are saying that? Because that business owner will connect more with you, he'll understand, okay, fine, this is the magazine that is published from the area that he has his business from. So obviously
Like
that
I-
becomes,
like
a hot lead.
I like to give you an example. For example, there's a chemist
Yeah.
which has just opened in GK2.
Mm-hmm.
And he's putting a flyer, that I've just opened.
Yeah.
So that chemist would be really, it'll be the very hot
Really
lead for
keen,
you to call.
Yeah.
Because they've recently opened, he's in GK2.
Yeah.
So he would be looking at a hyperlocal penetration in GK2
Yeah.
and nearby, say
Yeah.
Alaknanda or Sia Park.
Yeah.
So this would be your immediate.
Immediately it should be
contacted.
tackled, that becomes your hot flyer.
Flyer.
And next thing that you can see is, you will have a various quality of flyers. It could be an art paper, glossy, or it could be a yellow thin paper kind of a
with tuitions
flyer.
and all
Yeah.
they do.
So when somebody is doing a glossy paper, that means it has a certain quality attached to it. It becomes important for you to target that kind of a guy also. Having said that, sometimes even a not so good quality flyer could be your local vendor, local customer. So he also needs to be attacked. But maybe after a certain point of time, maybe your first hot audience will be the glossy pamphlet guy, And
I would
another
like
thing.
to add one thing.
Yeah.
Maybe the glossy. See, you'll have to analyze on your own.
Yeah.
Maybe it is a big flyer, glossy flyer, but he's not a local person. It could be a person like flight shopping who's doing it, or somebody
A corporate,
who's doing it. So maybe that you'll have to take a call and analyze that. Should I do a local first? Because we feel that you should do the local first, and then you should go and do that
corporate one.
corporate.
Because corporate
flyer.
will take little longer also
Later
to
on.
close, So it is always better to start with a local one. Another thing that we would like to add is that you will have flyers which will say now open, launching.
Shifted recently.
Yeah, so they become also very important because they're new outlets. They would immediately like to promote themselves, and we should immediately contact them. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, and one more thing is, it's very important is the area of your promotion.
Yeah.
For example, you should know the pamphlet has come from which area.
Very important.
Very important.
Yeah.
That, for example, a pamphlet has come from Vasant Kunj and you are trying to sell him GK2. They've opened. So you should know the area from where the pamphlet is come so that you will know what area that client is trying to promote.
Yeah.
So that is very important.
So it's absolutely so. And even if when you give a call, when you say that we saw your pamphlet in GK2, and if he has an outlet in GK2, he'll connect with it. You'll say, I saw your pamphlet, he'll not understand, So it's very important for you to connect where the flyer has come from. So this is a very important aspect. Over a period of time, you will learn it. But start doing it now. Once you are come on board, you can come and ask questions and understand, how you can analyze your
This will
flyers.
happen over a period of time.
Yeah.
It is just to start
It
with.
will give you an experience.
They're giving
Yeah.
you a little this thing, idea how to go about
All
it.
right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so
My
much.
clients